Hi, how are you?
How are you?
Good. Where are you from?
Israel.
Where is that actually located? Can you
And
tell?
we are the army. You know army.
You
Police. Pew pew. We are the police. Yeah,
pew pew
no.
pew pew.
Yeah, Israel. Police.
I love Dijon.
Israel.
I love Dijon.
No.
Why
Police
not?
Israel. That. That.
No, no. I love
I
Israel.
love you.
Why you me?
Because Israel is the best. You understand me? Israel is the best.
Yes, I understand you, but I love you guys. I don't hate you.
Like shut the fuck up, your little boy.
So
Shut the
you are in.
fuck up, your
Are,
little
oh
boy.
wait. Let me ask you a question. Are you in the Gaza now?
No. What is Gaza? What is Gaza? Just Israel. Just Israel. What you in YouTube? You in YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah. Police Israel. Just Israel. You understand?
Wait.
Okay.
Where where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Oh, nice.
Bangladesh.
You love Bangladesh?
Bangladesh. Yes, she's also Bangladesh.
Where in Bangladesh?
We're in Bangladesh.
Nice. Come on. I love you guys. I love you guys.
Sinabot, tanabot.
Yes. Yeah.
Hmm.
What happened? What happened? I love Dijon.
Israel.
Why you been silent?
You look like a robot.
Yeah,
What?
I'm look like a robot now. Oh, you loved me before.
Robot.
You loved me before. You said from the beginning that, oh, I love Bangladesh. I love you guys. And now when I show Palestinian flag, you said, you look like a robot. This is the reality. I'm recording now.
What is your name?
Gazi Nahian.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, that is
You're
me.
so handsome.
Me handsome.
Please don't put that.
Oh, I'm sorry. So I'm not gonna post it. Seriously. I promise you.
Okay.
Yes.
We follow you and we follow
will
you and
follow
we
you.
give you money so you can support Gaza kids.
No, I'm not asking money from you. Please don't worry. I make good money. Free
Bye.
Palestine.
By Bangladesh.
Okay, I will do post. Why did you say Bangladesh?
No.
Why did you say
What
Bangladesh?
we love Bangladesh. Woo.
שלום,
Manishma.
אתה יודע עברית?
Yeah, I know Hebrew a little bit.
Oh,
Even I am learning more
why are you learning?
because when I speak to an Israeli, wish I could know better Hebrew, so I would express myself more.
Oh, good to know. What, you live here? In Israel?
No. Currently, I'm living in Bangladesh, but one day I wanna visit your country.
Oh,
Yeah. How is the people like in Israel? Good?
yeah, the people is very good.
Okay, but
Um,
when I will
where you
go
live?
in Israel, I will say Free Palestine.
Oh my God, you're so cool. You
So,
know it's bullshit. What?
you like this?
No, you know that.
Shalom.
Manishma,
Beseder. How are you?
I'm good. I'm learning little Hebrew.
Really?
Yeah.
We love you.
Thank you so much. You from Israel?
Yes. We
Oh,
are.
yeah, I know October 7. Very sad, very sad. Many.
Sad.
Yeah.
sad.
Are you okay now?
Yes. It's gonna be a new milchama. War, maybe.
Yeah, another war will come?
Yeah, maybe.
Why?
I don't know. With Iran.
Yeah.
Because Putin, no Putin. Trump
Trump.
want to blow Iran and Iran want to blow us.
I understand. I support Palestine. What happened? What happened? Free Palestine. Where are you from, please?
From the country who's sending help to Allah with Alibaba.
So you're from Palestine?
No, neighbor from Palestine.
Egypt,
Only one country sending to Allah.
Syria,
Only one.
Syria,
No, no, you don't know who's
Jordan,
sending.
Jordan.
You know exactly.
No,
You
I
know.
don't know. I don't
You
know.
know, brother. Because only one country, only one.
There is only one country, which is Palestine.
Really, really.
Really?
Ooh. You are in Bangladesh. You are 300 years away from the civilization, brother. You are a last person. I am proud to be the country who Muhammadana. For this, I'm really proud.
Listen to me. I feel
What you
like
see,
you are
past,
suffering from nutrition. You need to go to the
like
hospital.
no,
They
brother,
will
don't
provide you a better,
hospital.
better care.
Oh,
Okay.
honey, I can fuck
Go.
even your mother. You believe me?